So we have built our checkout process. Now we should give our users the ability to view the orders. So here we have two pages, My Orders and Manage Orders, which is used by admins. Implementation of both these pages is super easy. We have done several examples similar to them before, so I don't want to waste your time typing all the code by hand. Instead, I'm going to quickly overview what I have done, but you're welcome to take this application to the next level and add more features. So let's have a look at Manage Orders page. This is for our admins. We have a table. You see the name of customer, the date, and a link to view the order. Now, currently, I haven't implemented this link, but again, you're welcome to do this on your own. All you have to do is to build another component like order details that takes an order ID parameter. Then you get that order from Firebase and display it to the user. Simple as that. So let me show you how I implemented this page. First, in our order service, I added this method, getOrders. And here we simply return the list of orders from Firebase. Then, in admin orders component, I injected this service into the constructor and simply initialized this observable. And then unwrap this using the async pipe in the template. Again, we have done several examples like this earlier in the course. Now we also have My Orders. Again, I have used the exact same layout to speed things up. The only difference here is that in our order service, we have another method, getOrdersByUser, that takes a user ID. And here I have passed this query object as the second argument to the list method. This query object has two properties. One is orderByChild, which you have seen before. This is for sorting objects on Firebase. And the other is equal to. So when you want to filter data in Firebase, you should always set orderByChild and then either equal to or another property like start at or end at. I've covered filtering in more detail in my other Angular course, Build Enterprise Applications with Angular. So this is our service. Now let's take a look at our component. So my orders component, here in the constructor, we have two parameters, auth service to get the current user and order service. So I start with authService.user and then use the switch map operator to switch to a new observable, the one that comes from our order service. Again, very easy. We have done this before in the course. So go ahead and write this code on your own, or if this is too easy for you and you don't want to waste your time, you can simply download these components from this lecture.